today we make our own pasta.
We'll do it all of it, and if it's too much, then I don't think it'll be too much.
Extra pasta's never a bad thing, right? No. So you're making a hole in the middle there?
You don't put eggs in plain pasta, but I put it because this is very fine, so the eggs should. I think it's enough, right? One package. Yeah. Put a couple eggs in. You could do without the eggs, without the eggs.
Yeah.
But the eggs will make it a little bit. You start working it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, you gotta mix everything.
Mix it all together.
Mix it.
By a little, add some water.
Put
How
it.
much? That good?
No, a lot.
Okay, a lot. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
that's
sorry.
enough.
And you're putting some force on it here.
Put it.
You want to put a lot of force on it, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You gotta make it.
I was baking the other day, and the recipe said don't overmix, but that's not a concern here, right?
Yeah.
You want to mix.
Put more water.
More here.
Yeah. Put a little bit more. Okay, that's enough for now.
The flour as you need it?
It's like enough to make it.
Yeah.
There's no measurement. It's just what you need.
Yeah.
If they make any sense.
No, it makes sense. Yeah, you don't want it. It was sticky earlier, so
Yeah.
you got to add more flour.
Yeah. You make it into so it's smooth.
Mm-hmm.
It's like this one piece. See now it's all lumpy.
Yeah.
Then you gotta make it so it becomes. That takes a lot of.
Rolling.
Mm.
And you start with your finger here, and then you move to your back of your hand. It looks like.
Yeah. See.
Cool.
This is what works.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the palm.
Yeah. It's the finger. They just a hole in it. They don't work.
Cut the piece to make it easier to.
To make it easier.
Yeah.
I mean, if you got the strength, you could do it in one piece. But if you don't, you could do this and working it out. It's easier. And
Mm-hmm.
Then you cut them in a small piece, and you make. See?
Yeah.
You make a, now, I say cavatelli. If you do cavatelli, you do one thing like this, and it's smaller. If you want to do quattro dita,
Yeah, four fingers. Yeah.
four, then you make a little bigger. You gotta go really deep, so otherwise, when they cook, what do you think we should do? The small or the big?
Do the telly, the cavatelli, the I think the small one, right?
Cavatelli.
Yeah.
You gotta go way in so you cave.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, the dough will stay
Yeah.
hard. You see?
It's a little bit like the gnocchi you made.
It's like gnocchi, except that their gnocchi is made with potato and this is just flour.
Hmm.
We call them cavatelli, but not Italy, they call them gnocchi.
Beautiful, right? Good job.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. A few hours later.
Yeah.
Okay. It'll take 15 minutes, you said?
At least.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll see. You know,
We'll see. Alright, everyone, I goofed a little bit. Forgot to take a photo of it in the plate. So, I mean, this is what it looks like. It was very good. Just made a little goof.